Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you want to change brightness in photo mode manually in Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. You just need to open your camera application. Then from here, for example, you just need to tap on it. When you find this circle button here, then you can find this sun icon, which will allow you to increase the brightness on your photo mode or decrease the brightness on your photo mode. You can also adjust the brightness by tap on this focus mode, and it will adjust the brightness according to the surface and your environmental light. After that, you can also set up exposure by tap on this. You can set up exposure. Let me show you. Tap on this plus and minus icon here. Now here you can increase the exposure or decrease the exposure, or you can just focus on it. Now let me fix the exposure. 0 is actually the default. When you map it 0, then you can just swipe this sun icon to adjust the brightness manually on your photo mode. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.